Welcome to my channel, and today I'll be making some stuffed salmon with spinach and cream cheese filling. Do keep in mind that the full ingredients will be on my blog, and you can find the link in the description box below. So let's get started. Here I'm adding the cream cheese to the spinach, and I'm going to go ahead and mix that all together. Next I'm adding Parmesan cheese, and I'm just going to mix that in together as well. Next I'll be seasoning the salmon on both sides with some blackened seasoning. Next I'll be adding the stuffing into the salmon. If you can tell, I sliced the salmon in half. I'm not cutting it all the way through, so just enough to accommodate the filling. And then I will be closing it up, sort of like a sandwich. Next I'll be adding some olive oil to the pan, and I'll be searing the salmon for 5 minutes on each side. Once that's done, go ahead and bake your salmon for 15 to 20 minutes at 350 degrees Celsius. So here you have it, stuffed salmon with spinach and cream cheese. So go ahead and like this video, comment, and subscribe for more videos as well. Thank you for watching, and see you next time. Take care.